In this video, I would like to demonstrate how Redeem Lottery app is integrating with the cash log and the reporting on a Clover ecosystem. First, let's open the Redeem Lottery app. And let's go ahead and process a winning Powerball ticket for $500. And I'm using this amount so that we can easily see it in the reports in just a minute. Pay cash. Okay. So now we're going to go to cash log, and that is the first transactions that we see. It registers as an adjustment, $500, lottery refund, and employee. Let's also take a look at the reporting app. If you're looking at the payments report and you scroll down, the transaction will show up in the cash adjustments as a lottery refund for $500. Thank you.